Hello everyone, my name is Anna Sinelshchikova. I'm originally from Russia and I have fundamental background in chemistry and material science. Currently, I work as a postdoc researcher in Stefan Wuttke group in BCMaterials. My research is focused on metal-organic frameworks, fascinating crystalline materials with very promising properties. The amazing thing about metal-organic frameworks is that they are porous, like sponges, which we use in our everyday life to wash dishes, but at molecular level. And this porosity can be controlled by chemists. We can control the nature of pores inside these materials. We can insert different chemical groups to interact with gases which enters the pores, gas molecules. Imagine these molecular sponges capturing CO2 in fabrics or from seawater, for example, or using them for gas storage, for hydrogen storage in hydrogen-powered cars. It's an exciting way for greener future. In our group, we are focused on making faster and greener procedures to synthesize these materials. It will open new ways for industrial production of metal-organic frameworks and wide use, wide application of these materials. After my graduation, I was lucky to join one of the leading groups in Russian Academy of Science, headed by wonderful woman, Yulia Gorbunova. I did my PhD in supramolecular chemistry and in photoactive materials such as porphyrin complexes. And during my PhD, I had several research stays in Dijon, in France. And after maternity leave, I focused more on crystallography and metal-organic frameworks because it was what I was interested in. And finally, it gave me opportunity to join a very international group here in BCMaterials, Wuttke group. We have people from 8 different countries in the same group, and I believe that the diversity determines the way to innovations. Also, what I was always amazed is how things work. Why one material is conductive and another is not? What determines such properties at molecular or structural level? And we as scientists, we can control this by changing something at molecular level and by achieving different properties. Also, I wanted to add what actually made me a researcher. First of all, my natural curiosity, but second, and maybe it's even more important, the support of people around me. I was very lucky to have very empathetic and supportive people during my career. Also, I'm grateful for the support of my family because it's not easy to move all around the world with all the family. I have daughter and husband, and I'm grateful to my husband who supported me in my travels and my relocations. When we moved to Spain, straight away there were so many new things to do, new aims to achieve, and it is much easier to do when you work as a team. By the way, it is true also for scientific groups. If the group works as a team, then you achieve much faster and better results. I changed the topic of my research several times during my career, and I wanted to say that don't be afraid to change the topic. If it is something which you yourself is curious about, then it gives you energy to move, it gives you your own motivation, and it gives very nice results not only for yourself but also for society. For me, it's important that my work is important for society, and that's why I'm happy to be part of BCMaterials. Here we can straight away check the applications of new materials we obtain, such as proton conductivity or photoactive properties of metal organic frameworks.